Carmine's Country Corner Sunday night.
Took my glasses, cause she knows that I can't see. She said, you ain't going nowhere, boy, till you spend a little time with me. She was going in the honky-tonk, said there's a party going on down here. Well, she might have took my glasses, but she forgot about my old John Deere. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. You know I drive you crazy, baby. It's the best that I can do. I ain't wondering now about you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
Okay, I'm betting we're too loud, but I'll know when I watch the rerun if we're distorting and what we're doing. But anyway, it sounds great. Bart, thanks for coming up and wearing that fancy jacket.
Well, you know, Carmine, nothing's too good for you.
That's Bart hadn't done the show in a while, and he come up last week and poked his head in the door, and I think right over the microphone we booked it, right?
Well, your hat is on the
We
microphone.
were just
so
talking,
I
right in the middle of the show. I booked him for this Sunday. We got Dr. Teresa come back and Dr. Kathy, and the last time they were here, we had bees. Remember all the bees that were floating around?
Sure.
We were scared to play, Bob, and
I wasn't scared.
well, yeah, but there was one show we canceled. We didn't even do the show. There were so many bees out there.
I wasn't out of that.
Yeah, but you know who was there? It was JD and I think Skip Edward, not Skip, JD and somebody else. But he come to play and we didn't do it. The bees were like everywhere. It was like, anyway, they're gone. They got rid of them. And then I took my trip for a month, and then I came back the beginning of September, and finally I called Dr. Kathy today, and I said, hey, the bees are gone, and we're back in town, and so come on up. So they were nice enough to show up, and we love them both. So anyway, Bart, what have you been doing, man? I see you all over Facebook. You're traveling. It's good stuff.
Yeah, I spent most of the summer. I did 2 tours of Europe this summer, but not with a guitar, ukulele.
Yeah, well, you're pretty well known for that.
I get 500 people see me ukulele for every one that comes to see on guitar. Come back to LA and there's 6 people at the show, but it's still fun.
Well, the ukulele, it caught on it's still pretty hot, isn't it?
Well, mine, I keep it in the cooler, so it's not.
Yeah, but a few years ago, it seemed like everybody was buying ukuleles. As I remember, kids, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a big thing.
They're small and easy to carry around. and stuff.
Unbelievable. So, Bart, do one more, and then we'll get Bobby to do some, and Gary, and the show will go. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and thank you, Bob Smith. Anyway, and yeah. So, okay, do a song.
Oh, we'll do one I think you might know. Let's do Just Because in the key of C. Y'all got a C? Everybody got a C?
Yeah.
Well, just because you think that you're so pretty. Well, just because your mama thinks you're hot. Just because you think that you got something that nobody else has got. Well, just because you spend all my money, you love to call me old Santa Claus. You did. I'm telling you, oh baby, we are through. Because, oh, just because, Gary, what you got? Go ahead, Carmine. Well, there's gonna come a time when you'll be lonesome, baby. Yeah, there's gonna come a time when you'll be blue. There's gonna come a time when you start wondering, now why the heck did I get rid of you? Well, it's just because you spent all my money. Then you left and told me, oh, Santa Claus. Well, I'm telling you, baby, we are through. Because, oh, just because. Well, because, oh, one more time. Well, because, yeah. Just because.
That's pretty good stuff there, Bart. Okay, now that we got it all worked out,
Yeah.
Bobby,
Okay.
what do you got, buddy?
Ramblin' Fever.
I love that song.
That's a good song. Nice to dance to if you're dancing at home. And I'd like to say hello to my mom. I think she's watching today. Hi, Barbara. All right.
Hey, that's my mom's.
I hope she's watching.
Yeah, I think she's watching. Here we go. Keep she laughs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ba-da-ba-do-ba-da-ba. My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear that same old song. I don't leave the highway long enough to fall down in the mud. I got rambling fever in my blood. I caught this rambling fever long ago, when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. If anyone ever said I gave a damn, you damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Well, there's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Well, I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. But I'll die along the highway, run away like some old high-line pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Come on. Here comes Bart. Well, there's times I like to bear down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Well, I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. Gonna die along the highway, run away like some old high-line pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Going home, intro. That's the way that one goes. Thank
Waylon
you.
Jennings, right? Great song. I was gonna say something about something, and now I forgot what it was. But anyway, I'm having so much fun up here, it doesn't matter. It'll come back. It might come back by next week's show, if I'm lucky. But
Yeah.
no, wait. Let's give you Swan.
Yeah.
You got it. What key?
D like dog.
Yeah. 1, 2. Can you hear me?
Yeah, believe me, it's out there.
A long time forgotten, dreams that just fell by the way. Good life he promised ain't what she's living today. But she never complained about the good things that they've done already. Just talk about all the good times they've had, the good times to come. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time to see, in spite of my wicked ways, she don't understand. Their teardrops and laughter, they pass through this world hand in hand. She's a good-hearted woman, and a good time in Maine. He likes the nightlife, bright lights, good times with a friend. When the party's all over, she'll welcome him back home again. Oh no, she don't understand him, but does the very best that she can. She's a good-hearted woman, loving a good time in Maine. Teardrop in the land, literally. Yes, it is world and it ain't. He's a good-hearted woman, live good and bad. Good-hearted woman, live good and bad.
Completely forgot what key I was in. But you know, those chords are so closely related. You can get away with some stuff. You know, that doesn't really. You know, you wish it was this, but it was okay.
But
if it was-
Carmine, I thought you
if
said
it
we
was
don't,
that.
no jazz. On
No,
this
I know,
score.
and it sounded
No
a little
jazz.
like that one note. I thought, what the hell did that come from? But anyway, I'll leave that for another night.
I have an announcement to make.
Please make it.
Okay. Hammond Keyboard Company, which I'm an artist with, they've come out with a brand new keyboard. It's called the Solo. It's 49 keys, and it's perfect for studios. So I play this keyboard for Motown music, country music, won a blues award thing with it. So this is the keyboard. So I wanted to mention it, brand new keyboard out.
Well, I'm glad you did,
And back to you, Carmine.
because we learned something
Shout
tonight.
out.
We're going back to Bart. Let Bart do another song.
Well, that reminds me, Gary, because this guitar here, made by Johnny Rushmore, he's coming out with a new model, 49 frets.
Yeah.
So
That'll
be on
be-
the lookout for that.
I love that. Hey, now,
Yes, sir.
real quick,
Real quick.
that's what I wanted to mention earlier that I forgot. Did you say that entire guitar is one solid piece of
It
wood?
is one piece of wood. That's all. There's no neck joint. There's no fingerboard. There's
So
a
it's all-
giant piece of wood chopped away everything that wasn't a guitar.
Yes. That is fabulous.
And there's only one guy that does that, Johnny Rushmore. Rushmore Custom Guitars. He's in Maryland. Might be watching. I don't know.
Well, I hope he is, and if he is, you make a beautiful guitar, buddy. I gotta tell
I
you.
got that B bender, but Joe Glazer put that B bender in.
I love that.
I do that all day, even when I'm not playing guitar.
See, that's the beauty between our instruments. I just go. I don't have to do that old body thing. Save myself tons of energy just playing
Well,
that beat.
we're gonna about do another song.
Yeah, I think what you were doing Beethoven there, right?
If you like.
Let's do it. What key we in? What key we in?
What key of C? C where we are. Let's do a song here by, well, let's see. And every time I come here, you don't have Johnny Cash's picture up anymore. But we're gonna, that's okay, we're gonna do one of his songs, which, no, I'd much feel better if you played guitar on it.
Which one is it,
Here's
Bart?
a song called, I Still Miss Someone,
Oh, good.
in the key of C.
I love that song.
Love that song.
Okay, here we go. And one thing special about this song is that it sounds way better when you're in tune, which I don't normally do, but in this case I will, Carmine. I should have tuned while you were talking that story, but you know, sometimes it's like that. Here we go. That's a C. We're ready. Oh, don't wait for me.
I'm waiting.
Out my door the leaves are falling. A cold wild wind will come. Sweethearts walk by together, but I still miss someone. I go out on a party to look for a little fun, but I find a darkened corner, 'cause I still miss someone. Oh, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them every Well, I wonder if she's sorry for leaving what we had begun. There's someone for me somewhere, but I still miss someone.
Well, I never got over those blue eyes. I see them everywhere. I miss those arms that held me. When the love was
That was a good ending, huh?
unexpected.
Oh, I did. Oh, I did. We caught it. We're okay. So do another one, Bart. You're kind of the guest artist, so you get to do most of it.
Let me use this pick here. Let's do, hey, how about, Don't Rock the Jukebox?
Okay.
In the key of A, no, yeah, let's do it in, hell, let's do it in G. Let's do it in
Let's
G.
see what time it
I can
was.
spell better in G.
Gee, you got it.
Don't rock the jukebox. I wanna hear some Jones. My heart ain't ready for the Rolling Stones. I've been out rockin' since my baby's gone. So don't rock the jukebox. Maybe a country song. I ain't got nothing against rock and roll. But when your heart's broken, you need a song that's kinda slow. I don't feel like rocking since my baby's gone. So don't rock the jukebox, maybe a country song. But I ain't got nothing against rock and roll. But when your heart's been broken, you know you need a song that's slow. There ain't nothing like a steel guitar or a piano to drown a memory. So when you drop that quarter, play a song for me. And don't rock the jukebox. I wanna hear George Jones. 'Cause my heart ain't ready for the Rolling Stones. I'm rocking since my baby's gone. Don't rock the jukebox. Play the country. Don't rock the jukebox. Play me a country song.
I kicked off by myself.
You did great again. Come down the volume a little bit. check. Are we too loud, Tom?
It's hard to tell, Carmine.
It's hard to tell till we. Well, somebody write in and say you were distorting, we're not distorting. We got a bunch of people watching.
You know, Carmen, when I was younger, I would hear this saying all the time, if it's too loud, you're too old.
Yeah,
Until I got too old.
yeah, right. Okay, so, Gary, do another one. We'll all come down behind you.
And the title is?
Went to Merle Haggard. Today I started 11. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough, letting my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, think I get back. Well, only these few million tears I cried. I should have known words had yet to come. And crying time for me just begun. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough, letting my heartache mend. Today I started loving you again. I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
Tom, come on up to a song with us. Tom Paul Wilson.
The man
Every
behind
once
the
in a
camera.
while, you know, he's only here every other week now, so I don't see him as much as I'd like to. I'm trying to get him to come back every week again. I'm wearing a hat this time. I love the hat. Yeah, you kidding me? There's a stool, there's a mic, and there's a guitar.
We're gonna be doing some Blues Brothers with that hat.
What's one right here? What kind you like?
Sympathy for the devil.
Oh, okay.
You can try to do the oohs if you want. I don't know
Okay.
if I can.
Yeah, sing along.
Something about that guitar looks fishy. I don't know.
Thank you for your patience.
What song?
E,
The devil.
EDA,
Are you serious?
and then BA.
Cynthia- oh.
Did I just say something to the audience real quick?
Anything you want, show.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm the man of wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long year. I stole many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. I made damn sure that Pilate washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. I killed the Tsar and the ministers and Anastasia, she screamed in vain. I rode the tank and held the general's rank when the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? All right, Carmine, come on, brother. Hit it! I watch we bleed while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. Killed the Tsar and minister and a state. She screamed in pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's loving you is the myself. Took a little bit, but I got it almost out. Here we go. All right, here we go. That last verse starts right now. This is every cop is a criminal, and all the sinners are saints. There's heads and tails, you can call me Lucifer. I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, have some taste. Use all your well-earned ladies. I'll lay your soul to waste. Here we go, boys. We're going out now. Need to meet you. Thought you guessed my name. Hello, boys. One more. Let's do it again. Let's go out right now. Let's get out of here. Damn this.
How about a hand for Tom?
Yeah, Tom. Epic.
What a great idea.
Stones, huh? Did that song. The Rolling Stones.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Well, we love country music too. Is my mic still on? Hey, there it is. Thought it was off, man. Okay, who's gonna do what? How much time we got? Teresa, come up here. Just do one quick one with us. Dr. Teresa is gonna do one song.
What's that going to be?
Probably be it.
Oh, yeah.
That's a song she wrote.
No, I know.
Don't do that to me.
No, I know.
No, I know. No, come on.
What key is it?
What should you do?
G, blue eyes crying in the rain. Test, test.
Well, we have first one, you have to come in. We just play the groove and then you come in.
Okay, yeah.
All right. So like.
In the twilight glow, I see him. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, where only memories remain. Through the ages I'll remember. Blue eyes crying in the rain. guys. Thank you. Thank you.
We'll see you at Kulak soon.
I'm not sure what happened there, but that's okay. Good job, good job. Bob, you want to do another one? Bob?
Sure.
Okay, what do you got?
We're going to do the song we rehearsed called There Stands the Glass in the key of B.
Rehearsed. I thought that was illegal, right?
It is. But nobody saw it. Nobody saw it. So
Nobody saw, so okay, we're safe.
the tree falls in the forest over here. So, okay. 1-5-1 with a break. So I'll start singing. Here we go. In B. 1, 2, 1, 2. There stands the glass that will ease all my pain, that will settle my brain. It's my first one today. There stands the glass that will hide all my fears, that will drown all my tears. Brother, I'm on my way. I wonder where you are tonight. I wonder if you are alright. I wonder if you think of me in my misery. There stands the glass, fill it up to the brim, till my troubles grow dim. It's my first one today. Bart. I wonder where you are tonight. I wonder if you are alright. I wonder if you think of me in my misery. There stands the glass, fill it up to the brim, till my troubles grow dim. Here comes Gary. Whether I'm on my way, Gary. I wonder where you are tonight. I wonder if you are alright. I wonder if you think of me in my misery. There stands the glass that will hide all my fears, that will drown all my tears. Brother, I'm on my way. A true story. Thanks so much.
Do we get everybody up who we're supposed to get? Let's see, Tom was up, I got Teresa up, we're good. How much time we got?
5 minutes, 6 minutes.
Okay, I wanted to do one, but maybe I don't have time. I got time to do one? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Bartle. He'll close the show tonight.
Clayton Bellini. Okay.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks, Supper he cried. And it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. And Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. Never took his guitar, made it down in Tennessee. This is the other one. My daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. I gotta play catch up here. Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if that boy could see me now. Guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. I love that B-bender. When Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if that boy could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. When Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. And then the Clayton Delaney died. Okay, Bud, you got the closing song, and I forgot the words, but we got through it. So, see y'all next week. Thanks for watching the show. Thank Bob Smith for this lovely place he gave us to set up and play music. And we've been having a ball every weekend. So, thanks for watching. Tell your friends, and Bot, close the night.
Should we close with something that's got some guitar playing in it?
Anything you want to do.
How about something y'all know? A song from Oklahoma called Tulsa Time. Driving a Pontiac, just about to lose
thought he was going to hurt himself. You know, I don't have insurance up here, so be careful
I got a
when you
rider.
play that thing. Anyway, see you next week, folks. Love you. Thanks, Tom. Thanks, everybody.